Okay, this session will be on built-in functions. So let me create a file. Okay, so before getting into what is a built-in function, let me give you some basic definition of a built-in function. So here, built-in functions are nothing but these are defined as the functions whose functionality is predefined. Predefined functions defined in Python libraries. We have Python libraries. In Python libraries, these built-in functions are inbuiltly programmed. These are built-in functions. So, built-in functions are defined as the functions whose functionality is predefined in Python libraries. Generally, the Python interpreter has several functions that are always present for us. Okay, that are always present for us. These functions are known as built-in functions. There are several built-in functions in Python. So mostly we're gonna look into few important built-in functions in Python. First one, the first one is input. What is this input function? Input function is used to get the input from the user. If you want to get the input from the user, you will use the input built-in function. It prompts for the user input and reads the line. It will reads the line. After reading the data, it converts into a string and returns that. So syntax. The syntax is input, input, and then whatever the prompt you gonna, or you can say prompt. 1 second, guys. I got a call. Let me take up that call. Hello. Hello. బ్రో మాట్లాడినారా అంతవరకు లేదా అయ్యో ఆహా. ఇక్కడ కింద అలాగే కిందకి వెళ్తే ఉంటాయి చూడు బ్రో స్ట్రైట్ గా కిందకి అలాగే వెళ్తే కన్నా రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ రెండు చెక్ చేసుకుంటా ఇల్లు ఉన్నాయి ఓకే okay sorry for that, guys. Okay, let's continue our session. So it will syntax will be input and open and close parenthesis, and that will be followed by the whatever the prompt you're gonna give built in. So example, okay, we'll take the it will take even parameters also. Okay, it returns input into the string. So first let me take any one variable. Let me take var as the variable. So here I'm gonna give input open and close parenthesis. Here I'm gonna give that message, enter the value, enter the value. That's it. If I hit enter, that should be taken, the it should take the input from the user and it should be stored in the value, that is variable. It should store in the var. And after storing, I want to display, let's say, let me run this. See, it is asking for the value. I have given 10 as the value, enter. It's not showing anything. It's not showing anything because I haven't given the print statement for this. Print, what is it? Print that value. The entered value is what is it? It's var, right? So if you execute this now, enter the value. This time I'll give 20. Okay, I'll give 20. See, it says the entered value is, sorry, spelling mistake. Entered value is 20. So let me run this now. This time I'll give 50. The entered value is 50. This is how we take the input from the user using input method. This is the built-in method in Python. This is about that. Next one. Yeah. Here, yeah, we can do that. What if, let's say, there is addition operator in supermarkets? You're gonna scan one by one item, right? So once you scan all the items, is the cashier is going to add the amount or the machine or the computer? Computer does that, right? Right. So let me take one more variable. Input. Uh, anything. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. Now here what I'm gonna do. Mm-hmm. No, that's a variable. That's a variable, right? See here, I have performed what addition operation. Okay. Then I want to print that result. See here, there is. See, that's what I'm saying. See, I'll show you one practical example here. Okay, addition of two numbers. Okay, let me new Python file. Let's add. Okay, let's say a is equals to no, var one is equals to 10. Okay, var two is equals to 20. Var 3 is equals to var 1 plus variable 1, that is var 2. Okay, now I'll print mm, the result is var 3. So it will returns the output. Yeah, we can give, just for better understanding, I'm giving you this uh, statement here. Okay, see here, the result is 30. If I run this again, 30. If I want to change this to 100, no, no, I know that you got the programming logic, you got it. But now I want to I want to add these two values. So every time what I'm doing now 300. Every time what I'm doing, I'm changing the value in the script, right? But not in the console, but not on the console. So for the user, he does not know how the logic is built, right? The in the supermarket, the cashier does not know where that variables are stored, where these values are stored in the variables. What he knows, he just knows the output. That's it, right? This is what he needs, right? Not this. You are getting the point. You know the programming, where to modify. If you want to modify here, you know, because you know what is Python and how to script it. For the non-technical guy, does he know where to give the value? No, right? Where to change the value, he does not know. For such kind of people, will use this method. See, enter the first value, enter the value. See, I'll go with enter value 1, enter value 2. Now run it. Enter value 1. I'm giving 5 as first value. It is asking for the second value also. I'll go with 10. So what it say? Variable one var 3. Where is var 3? So okay, okay. Var 3 is equals to, sorry, var 3 is equals to initially 0. Sorry. Not here. It's not var 2. Get it. Now rerun. For var 5, I'm giving first input value is 10. Sorry, 5. Second input value is 10. Addition of two numbers. Is it taking? Is it taking? No. How? How to add two numbers? As I told you in the initial states itself, it will take that as what? Guys, I have told you this so many times. This Python will take the values in the form of what? String, guys. You need to convert it. 5 and 5. 55. If it is int. So here for this you need to convert this. For this you need to give integer. So whatever the value which is going to be used by the given by the user, by the user, that is a integer. That's a integer value. Now see here. 5, 5, 10. If I rerun this again, now this time 10, 10, 20. So have you got the difference between this program and this program? What is the difference? Mm. Because if you run the same program for 100 times, you can give 100 different values. But here you need to change it in the script. But here you're not changing the script. You are just giving the passing the different values. That's it. Okay. Here the code is not changing, but in this example the code is changing. You need to change the values manually. But here the system will take the values and that will assigns to the uh, that particular variable. That can be var1 or var2. See, yes. Here there are there are two built-in functions here. In this whole program, there are three built-in functions. Can you know anyone note? Tell me what are those three built-in functions? Anyone? No, those are variables. What? Anyone? Yeah, print. Print is the built-in function. Next, uh, input. Yes, you can see the color, guys. This purple color. Int. These are the three built. Yes. You said that actually. I was expecting. So, what does this print built-in function do? Anyone? What does this print built-in function do? So, whatever you give here in between these two parentheses, that will get printed on the console, right? Next, what does this input method do? Takes the input from the user. So it will ask for the user. See here, enter the value 1. It is asking the user to enter some value. It is asking the user to enter the second value. And it will do the it will execute this expression. It will add two variables and that will be printed on the console. So here the prompting is happening. Okay. It takes the input from the user to this program. Okay. That's the use of uh, input method. And what is the use of int method? It will converts converts string to integer value. Okay, so before directly it will convert directly. So let's say if you are giving enter the first value, let me remove this. Okay, for the example, for an example, I'm removing this int method. Okay, okay, now here I have given enter the values for first one and second one. If I first one, so I'm giving as 10 for the first value, second value 20. See, is that correct? 10 plus 20, 1020, no, right? So let me show you how the Python takes those values. Let's say Hussein session. See, it is taking as Hussein session. So whatever you give here, this program is taking, this input method is taking the values in the format of the string. It is doing concatenation. It is combining the two strings, right? Hi, hello. See, hi and hello. It is doing just concatenation, not the addition. For this, you have to convert that again. Let me execute this again. 1 and 2. See, it is taking 12. 1 plus 2, 12. No, right? It's 3. So, for that reason, we are going to delete this. First, whatever the input you give, it should be in the form of what? Int. That's it. First int. Okay? Int is done. Int is done. So, for that int, it should take the input from where? Which means function under a function. One built-in function, in under that function, in that function, we will have one more built-in function, that is input. Input, one more function. What is that input? Value 1. Value 1. That's my first one. Next again, I want to take the input for second one also. Input value 2. Now, let me run this now. First value, that is 1. Second value, 2. The result is 3. Are you getting? This is the advantage of built-in functions. Okay. There are so many built-in functions. We'll look into it one by one. Next, sorted. Next one we'll go with sorted. Any doubts in this, guys? Any doubts? Anyone? Yeah, tell me. Hmm. No, gap is, see, you can give. No, it's not mandatory. This gap is not mandatory. If you want, you can give. If you don't want, no need to give. Okay. Okay. 1 second. I got a call. Just give me a second. హలో చెప్పు చెప్పు రాఘవ. లేదు బ్రో, ఇంకా ఒక 15-20 minutes అవుతుంది. అవునా? పోనీ ఇప్పుడు పెట్రోల్ బంక్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ పక్క నుంచి వచ్చావు కదా నువ్వు, హుడీ నుంచి. ఇంకొద్దిగా ముందుకు వెళ్తే అట్లే, ఇంకొద్దిగా ముందుకు వస్తే రైట్ సైడ్ ఇంకో స్ట్రీట్ వస్తుంది. రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, చాలా ఇదంతా రెసిడెన్షియల్ ఏరియానే. ఈ పక్కంతా తిరుగు, ఎలాగో వచ్చేసా కాబట్టి ఇంకొక హాఫ్-అన్-అవర్లో ఏమైనా ఉంటే నేనే పిలుచుకొని వెళ్తాను. ఓకేనా? అంతవరకు అక్కడ వెతుకుతా ఉండు. ఓకే రాఘవ. Okay, guys, let's resume our session. Any doubts about up to this? We'll go with the next built-in function. if you do not have any doubt. Second one, sorted. What is sorted? So here, this sorted function is used to sort the elements. To sort the elements. Yesterday, uh, I think Neha asked how to sort the elements, right? By default, it sorts the elements in ascending order. It sorts the elements in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order, it's gonna sort the elements, but can be sorted descending also. Like it takes 4 arguments and returns collection in sorted order. It will take how many arguments? 4 arguments. It will take 4 arguments. Okay, this sorted method will take 4 arguments, and this will by default it will sort the elements in ascending order, and this is used to sort the elements. And here uh, it sorts only key, not the value. If it is if you are trying to sort the dictionary, if you are trying to sort the dictionary, it will sort the keys but not the values. Okay, let me give you one simple syntax for this sorted built-in function. Sorted, open close parenthesis. Always functions have open and close parenthesis. Okay, sorted. As I told you, this will take 4 arguments, but whereas this input method is taking 1 argument, and here integer also taking 1 argument. Okay, 1 argument. This argument is called function. It is this int method is taking another method as the argument. Okay, next arguments. First argument, iterable. Okay, first one is iterable. Next one, CMP. I'll tell you what is CMP in a while. Next, key. Next, anybody texted? Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Asrar. What is your doubt? I'm not getting. Hmm. Yes, we have taken. Okay, what's your doubt? It will take. Even you can give Asrar here. You can give Hussein here. You can give bad. Just a variable name, right? Ah, you can give anything. Okay. You tell me. I'll run this for you. 1 second. Okay. Tell me what do you want the changes here? Ah. Okay. Variable one is Asrar. Ah. Okay. Two is okay. What? Variable one is Asrar, right? Okay. Asrar. Variable two is Sheikh. Next. Okay, you do that. Okay. Have you shared? Just click on the center this presenting button. Okay. Share it. Okay, you do one thing. You share that code and paste in the chart. Share that code. Just text me here. The message you just drop it. Done. Just see, you have opened the PyCharm, right? Just copy it. See, I'll show you how to copy it. Just like select all here, right click, copy, and then come to here Google Meet chat. Just paste it like this. Okay, like this. Just you send me. Have you? You got right? How to sort? How to paste it? Okay, just drop the message. Like see my screen. First, see my screen. First, go to PyCharm. Okay. Let's say this is your code. Okay. Copy it. Copy. Then come to browser. Come up here. Paste it. Send it. Okay, that's better. That's better. That's a code. No. What you have done? Okay. I got I got it. Okay. So you have given. Okay. This is your code, and how you have given where 1 is equals to Sheka, where 2 is equals to Asrar. Right? That's it, right? Asrar, you there? That's it, right? This is the code which you are trying to execute. What you are doing, you are just assigning shake to where 1. So this, if you are executing like this, you must change here. Shake, Asrar, shake, Asrar. Okay, now let me execute this. So it says shake. Shake is not defined because you cannot assign after. See how the things works in the sense you are not assigning any values here. So here you can do, you can if you want, because a variable cannot store another variable, right? This is variable name, this is also variable name. Asrar is also variable name, where 2 is also Asrar variable name. How can you store a variable name into another variable? You cannot, right? It should be a string, or you can take like this. It should be a string. Okay, but here what will happen, you already taken the input from the user. Why are you taking the values statically when you are already taking the values dynamically here on the console? No need to take from here. Okay, you get it. Mm. Next, sorted. First, it here, first thing, iterable. Iterable is nothing but a collection on which sorting performs. Iterable, iterable is nothing but collection that can be any collection. Collection means a group of elements on which sorting is going to perform. That's one. And next, CMP. This is nothing but custom comparison. You can say comparison. It is an optional. It is optional, okay? Next one. If you want to compare something, you can give this. But by default, it's none. Default, it is none. Next, key. Key is nothing but a function. And the last one, reverse. Reverse is nothing but to get the sorted collection in reverse order. What? What? Sir, can you mute yourself? Now is it clear, Neha? Okay then. Okay. See, whenever you need, you turn on the mic, then you speak it up. Next one. So whatever the elements which are sorted, if you want to reverse the order, you can use the reverse argument. This is the built-in function. For this, let me uh, give you one example for this sorted. Mm, okay, let me take one any string. I'll take one string. Let's say Hussein session is in progress. Okay, this is a string which I am taking. So I want to sort it. So for this, I can sorted directly. Sorted. What is the string I'm gonna take? This is, see, instead of this, I'll go with one simple example. Let's say um, B C D E. Okay, this is unsorted. This is unsorted. Okay, let me sort this element. After sorting is done. If I run this, there is no, because I need to print it. For that, I'll store this in one variable. Let's say result is the variable name. So I'll print that result. Let me run this now. See here, what is the first element here? Do you see A? No. B, you have, yes, B. C, D, again D, F, G, G, H, J, R, S. This is sorted in ascending order. Are you getting? In the form of list. Okay. Let me take one dictionary then. I'll take one dictionary, one tuple. Mm, I'll take two things. One is list, one is tuple, one is dictionary. I'll show you how to sort those elements. First one. First, I'll take using sorted built-in function. I'm gonna sort the elements of a list, of a tuple, of a dictionary. For this, I'm gonna take one list, okay, one tuple, one dictionary. Okay. So right now these are empty. Let me give some values to this dictionary. Sorry, this list. First list. 2, comma, 5, comma, 8, comma, 1, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma, 7, comma, 3. This is the list. Next tuple. I'll go with some other values. 30, mm, 20, 50, 10, 24, another 85, 100, and 5. Okay, this is my tuple. Next, I'm gonna take one dictionary. And as I told you in previous sessions, dictionary is a combination of what? Anyone? Dictionary is a pair of anyone? Exactly, key and value, right? It is a pair of key and value. First, I'll take one key. Let's say 5 is the key. In this, it has some Neha. Next, another. I'm taking 1 as the key. Here we have Hina. Next, another one. I'll go with 9. In this, we have anything. Sahitya. Next, we have one more. Let me take another 4. 4 as the key. Here, I'll go with one more thing. Asrar. Okay. This is a dictionary. Okay. What are the keys here? Anyone? In this dictionary, what are the keys? Exactly. And values are Neha, Hina, Sahitya, and Asra are the values. In dictionary, keys are going to be sorted but not the values. So here 5194 are going to be sorted, but you cannot sort the values which are stored in those keys. Okay. Let me apply sorted built-in function on all these. Okay. First thing, sorted, sorted of that list, sorted of that tuple, sorted of that dictionary. It's done. So I'm gonna run this. So it's not showing anything. Any reason? Anyone? Exactly. Yes. Not calling. We need to print. Okay. This L will be stored in L result. Okay. Next. This is tuple result dictionary result. Okay. These are stored in 3 different variables. I'm gonna print those. First, I'm gonna print that uh, list is where I have stored R. Exactly. How about tuple? Where it is stored? Tuple is t underscore sorry t underscore r result. Next one, dictionary. Dictionary is t underscore r. Right now it should print on the console. Let me run this. First one, see here. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, 5, 10, 5, 10, 20, 24, 30, 50, 85, 100. Here dictionary is 1459. So it will sort, as I told you, it will sort the keys but not the values. Are we good? We're here. Here. Okay, here 5. Huh? Okay, let's say 100. 100, okay? See here. Sorted. Same. So it doesn't matter about the value what you are storing. Okay, now this 5 key holds 100 integer value. Okay, 100 is the value which is stored in key 5. Okay, if it is a string, you should be keep that in quotes. If it is not a string, if it is a integer, you can give directly. Okay, Are we good? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? So now I want to reverse it. I want to reverse what let's say I want to reverse the list. Okay. For this, as I told you, it will take 4 arguments. Among reverse is one of the argument. So among 4 arguments, reverse is also one of the argument, right? So I'll take reverse. I want to reverse the this list one. So first one. So after, what is the result which is stored in LR, in L underscore R, this list is there. So I want to take it. I want to take that string in sorted. Where is the result? L underscore R, right? L underscore R. And after this, I want to do what? Reverse. Reverse is equals to true. I'll give value as true, which means I want to sort those element and I want to, sorry, I want to sort it. I want to print it. So it is not printing because why? Any reason? It's not printing the reverse values. Why? Exactly. You need to print, and before printing, you must store it in some value. Let's say um, L underscore R's reverse sorting. Here I'll give reversed list is that one, L underscore R underscore R, right? So now you should get the reverse also. This is actual list. This is reverse list. Are you getting? So here you have passed 2. Let's say here I am giving uh, reverse as false. Let's see what will happens. Is it sorted? Is reverse sort happened? Descending order? No, right? So you should reverse, the value should be true. If the descending, if you want to perform the descending order. Okay. Anything, any doubts, guys, as of now? Next one. Next one will be, we have so many. Among them, we'll go with slice operator. We have already seen slice operator, right? Do we? We have seen slice operator, but not slice method. Okay. We have the built-in method slice. We have the slice method also. Okay. It's not the slice operator, it's a slice method. Okay. So generally in Python, we have a built-in slice function which is used to get a slice of elements from the collection of elements. It slices elements from the collection of elements. Can anyone give me one example for collection of elements? Anyone? One example for collection of elements. Yes, string is also collection of characters, which means collection of elements. Yes, and in the same way, this list is also collection of elements. This tuple is also collection of elements. This dictionary is also collection of elements. Okay, if you want to perform some slicing operation on this, we can go with slice method. Okay, even a single here where in previous example, something like that. Let's anything, guys. String here. Neha is also collection of elements. Hina is also collection of elements. Sahitya also collection of elements. Asrar is also collection of elements. Cumulatively, the whole thing is also collection of elements. Okay. Okay. Here, Neha is a collection of elements. What is a data type? String is the data type. For Neha, string is the data type. But if you want to take me the whole thing, it's a collection of dictionary type. Collection of elements of dictionary type. Here, collection of tuple data type, but if you want to take a single element, it's a integer data type. Okay. Here, this is also integer data types, single element, but cumulatively it is a list, collection of list data type. So here we use the slice method to slice the elements from the collection of elements. Let's say you have 1000 elements. If you want to slice them, which means cut them, divide them, we use slice built-in function. This Python provides two overloaded slice functions. The first function takes a single argument, while the second function takes three arguments. There are two things. There are two types of functions. First one will take one argument, or you can say single argument. The second one take three arguments. These are the questions you're gonna face in your interviews, guys. So you have to practice lot. Okay, sorting, slicing, taking inputs. These are the things they will ask. Okay, they will not ask adding of two numbers. They will not ask 10 is equals to sorry, a is equals to 10. Okay, they'll ask you, they'll give you one string, or they will give you one list or a dictionary or a tuple, and they will ask you to perform some kind of operation on that particular data types. Okay, next let's come back to the track. There are two types of overloaded slice functions. The first function takes a single argument, while the second function takes three arguments and returns a slice object. Returns a nothing but it's a result. After performing the slicing, what will be the result? It will be an object. The slice object can be used to get a subsection of the collection. For an example, if we want to get first two elements from the 10 elements, for an example, if you want to get the two elements from the 10 elements list, here we'll use this slice method. Okay, let me give you one simple. First, we'll go with the syntax, then we'll go with example. Slice of stop. This is first one. Another slice of three argument. As I told you, start, comma, stop, comma, steps. Okay, these are the two types of. Here it has taken one argument, right? Stop is the one argument. This is the example for this single argument. But here it has taken three arguments. First one is start, stop, and steps. Okay, I'll show you. I'll demonstrate you the slice with a. Okay, before 1 second, guys. Just give me a second. Bro. అవునా ఫైన్ నేను కూడా ఇక్కడ చూస్తానులే బ్రో అబ్బో చాలా దూరం అనుకుంటానే వెళ్ళిపోయినావు రాఘవా ఓకే ఒక పని చేయి నువ్వు పెట్రోల్ పంప్ కి నువ్వు హుడీ నుంచి వచ్చేటప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పెట్రోల్ పంప్ వస్తుంది కదా అదే నువ్వు హుడీ నుంచి వచ్చినప్పుడు డెడ్ ఎండ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకుంటే పెట్రోల్ పంప్ వచ్చింది కదా అలాగే స్ట్రైట్ కి ఇంకొక రూట్ వెళ్తుంది చూడు కిందకి. ఆ స్ట్రీట్ లో వెళ్ళు రాఘవ. ఓకే ఓకే రాఘవ, బై. Okay, sorry for the delay, guys. Okay, okay. Let me demonstrate with you what is start. What is start here? Here, start is nothing but here starting index of slicing. Where do you want to start slicing? Starting, sorry, starting index of slicing. Next, stop. Second one, end index of slicing. Where do you want to end? Okay, end index of slicing. Next, last one, step. So here step is the number of steps you want to jump. Okay, how many steps you want to jump? You need to give here that index value. This is starting where you want to start slicing, and here where do you want to end your slicing. In here, how many steps you want to skip, or number of characters you can say. So for this, let me give you one simple example. First, we'll take uh, two results. Okay, first result will be any variable, any you can take any variable, guys. Slice, I'll go with slice 5. Okay, next one. And what does this returns? This returns the slice object. Next, I'll take one more result. Let's say 2 is my another. I'll go with slice. Here I'll take three arguments. 0 comma, sorry, 0 comma, 5 comma 3. Here starting is 0, ending is 5, but how many steps I want to skip? I want to skip 3 steps. Okay, let me, okay, run this. Nothing. So you have to print it. Print the first result, print second result. Okay, let me run this. It says, what is the starting index? Slicing. There is nothing. There is nothing to slice. Okay, there is nothing to slice. That is the reason it is showing as it is. Okay, for this, it's just a object, guys. I want you to show the actual example. Okay, for this, I'll take in. Let me give you one simple example. I'll take string one. In this string one, I'll have welcome to my sessions. This is the string, and I'm gonna take one variable. First, we'll perform. We'll take the. I'll demonstrate you here. This first one. Okay. The second one I'm gonna perform. Starting, stopping, and steps here, because it's a long string, right? We can perform that. First thing, first variable. We can take any temporary variable. Let's say I'm gonna take temporary variable, anything, and I'm gonna call my slice operator. In the slice operator, I'm gonna pass three arguments. First one, what is the starting? Where do you want to start? I want to start with W. The indexing starts with 0, right? You know that, right? We already discussed this so many times. 0. And I want to what is the end point? Let's say 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. There are 21 characters. Let's say I'll take till 15. Starting is 0, next is 15. Till 15 I want to print, and how many characters I want to skip. Here I need to give. I'll skip 3 characters, okay, which is stored in temp. Now here, what I will do, I'll just print that uh, temp. So it's not happening. Reason? Anyone? It's just an object, but we do not want to print the object. Actually, it should returns the values. For this, I'm gonna take that and I'll store that in a temporary string. We need a temporary string. I'll go with another result. Here in the result, what will I do? I'll print this result. In that result, what should I have? I should have this slice operator. To which this slicing operator, I want to apply this slice on what? In this string, right? On this string, I want to perform. For this, you need to take that str1, sorry, str1 temp. Okay. Now, if we run, so now slicing is applied. Now slicing is applied on result. Sorry, slicing is applied on string one on this. This temp is nothing but it's just a command. Just keep that in mind. It is a command. Okay. This command is applied on this one, and the result is stored in result. Okay. I want to print that result. Okay. Let me run this. See here. What is the starting character? 0. It has started with 0. How many characters I have skipped? E, L. Next, after 3, what should it get print? C. Again 2 characters skipped. Next E. Again 2 characters skipped. O. Again 2 characters skipped. Y. Because there are 21, length is 21. So let me take 21. Now it will take the 20 whole string. The See here. What is the starting index? 0. What is the ending index? Is yes. Okay. Now here if I give number of steps to skip, it will take from that starting index. See 0, 1, 0, 0 means 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it will print C. Again from C, 1, 2, 3. It will print E. Again from here E, 1, 2, 3. T. Okay, T will be skipped, O will be printed. Next from O, 1, 2, 3. Y will be printed. Next from Y, 1, 2, 3. S will be skipped, E will be printed. Next from E, 1, 1, 2, 3. S will be skipped and I will be printed. From I, 1, 2, 3. N will be skipped. S supposed to get print because here you need to give 22. Now S will also get print. Any doubts, guys, about slicing operator? Any doubts? Okay, okay, fine. I'll tell me what's your doubt. You can take two also. You can take one also. See here. If you want to skip one, welcome to my session. There is no nothing. Actually, one is default one. You must take at least two, which means it will skips one character. If you give one character here, if you give one step, it will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. It skips 0 characters. If you give two, these values, mm, in temp, last value we were skipping up. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, yes. because here that's the syntax. If you want to slice one collection of elements, the first one will be starting index, next topping index, next how many steps you want to skip. This is second example, and this first one will have only single argument. In this second type built-in function, you have three arguments. So here, what is the use of this using slicing operator? In the sense, let's say you have two strings, okay, here, here, in the temp, where is temp? Where is temp? Temp is nothing but is just a number. You can take a also. Uh, uh, uh. Where? Here, instead of 22, instead of 0, where will you provide? Here, instead of whole thing 5, Acha, okay, here we have three arguments. You want to pass five arguments. It will not accept. See here. Let's say I'm passing another one. It won't accept because the slice operator expected at most three arguments only. But it got four arguments at most. By default, the built-in function will take only three arguments. Okay. Starting index, stopping index, and how many steps you want to skip. Okay, see here in everything. Tell me what? I'm not getting that. This one, numbers. Yeah, you can. If you have 1,000 number of collection number of characters in your string, you can mention 10,000 here, 1,000. Then you can do okay, but the length should get match. See here, the length is however whatever the number you give endpoint, but it will take only this much only. Okay, are we good? Because it now it is taking spaces. If you notice properly, see here, see here, it is taken numbers. Any doubts, others? You can turn off your mic, Asrar. This is about slice operator. Okay, next we have it's already too late, guys. Tomorrow we'll come up with few more built-in functions. Okay. mm, Tell me. Okay, this example, okay, so you want me to explain? Okay, fine. See here, this is our collection of elements. So here you will give starting index of this string. Okay. So here 0 holds W. Okay. 1 holds E. 2 holds L. Okay. Likewise, it will take number of arguments. Here we will take, let's say that we have 22 characters in our 22 is the max index ending index value of our string. Okay. So I want to skip two characters, which means internally, then you can give 20,000, 2,000, 20,000, your wish. See here, still you can give. No, it won't give. See, just now I ran it. See, it won't because it will consider after whatever is here, that will not consider after this s. Even though if you have if you give 10 lakhs, it won't accept, matlab, it won't throw you an error. It will stops at s only. Okay, now here I wanted to show you the steps. Here this is the step. So whatever the value you give here, I have given 2, right? So 2 minus 1, so which means it will skips one character. If I give 5, it skips how many? 4 characters. Okay, likewise this will happen. And whatever, this is just a formula, this is just a formula which is stored in a. Okay, it's just a logic which is stored in a. I want to apply that logic on which, on what, on string 1, str1. Okay, for that reason, str of that a, str of that a, this logic, after performing some operations, this needs to be, the result needs to be stored in somewhere, right, in our memory. For that reason, I'm taking one result as the variable name. I'm storing the result, my output into this result, then I'm printing that result variable. Yeah, from w, see here, from w, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 is o, so it will print m. It skipped 5, right? In between 4 elements, see here, between w and m there are 4 characters, right? No, 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 no. See. It will not skip the first one. See, one, two, three, four, five. The fifth character, if you give 5, it will skips the fifth character. What is the fifth character here? Okay. What is the fifth character? See, one, two, three, four, five. O is the fifth character. It will skips the fifth character, and what is the next character it has? M. It will print M. From again, from here it will start. How many characters? One, two, three, four, 5. So till to my. Okay. Sorry. From here to here. One, two, three, four, 5. It will take space also one character. It will calculate space as a character. Okay. Does anybody have doubts? Okay. No. Okay. Okay. You want me to execute this, huh? Okay. Let me check. Okay. Let me take this out. Paste it. Winner checker. Okay, slice. Why are you giving 4 arguments here? You have given 4 arguments. Okay, you should not. There should be by default. See, by default, the slice method will take only three three arguments only. See here, only 3 arguments. You cannot give 3 or 2. You cannot give 2 less than 3 or greater than 3. You should give exactly 3, or you can give one argument. Here you have given 4 arguments here. Okay, now if you execute this, it will run. See here. Okay, it will take till 21 characters. If you want to take it from up to end, you can give, let's say, 50. I guess, if I'm not wrong. See here. You got it? Yes, exactly. You have to pass only 3 arguments. The first will be starting index, second will be ending index, third will be number of characters you want to skip. In this example, it will start from here, 3 characters you are jumping. That is win. After that, you have n. It will get printed. Next, from n, after n, it will take uh, here. Here, it will starts with n. It starts with I. See here. See, it starts with I. 1. See here. 1, 2, 3. It will print the first character I. Next, after 3 character, it is skips. What is the next character? E. You can see here. After that, from E, it will take 3 characters. E is the character. Next, second character. E is the first character. Next, R is the second character. Space is the third character. It is skips the space. Then it will print the W as the next character. See here. Okay. Okay. Anything? Anyone? Any doubts, guys? Uh, number of characters you want to skip. Okay. Any other questions, guys? If not, we will wind up this session, guys. Okay.